Alright guys, welcome back. You remember the GTO here. What I wanted to show you guys is the latest thing that we installed in here is an Alloyworks radiator. Now if you remember from a previous video, we used Alloyworks catch can in the Chevelle, and we really thought it was a nice piece, and they wanted to work with us on a radiator, so we had the opportunity here because the GTO was looking for upgrades, and well, aluminum radiator is the way to go, right? Some think so, some think not, whatever. But fact of the matter is, it's a nice addition, and this company really comes through, guys. They sent us the first one, and we had an issue with the mail. The mail damaged it, so I sent them an email with the pictures of it, and the damage was obviously done in shipping, and they got another one out to me right away. So we installed it. I didn't show the install because honestly there's really nothing to show. This thing mounts exactly as the old radiator does. There's a couple of brackets on the bottom that it sits in. There's a bracket on top, and that's really where it goes. Now this bracket, this has nothing to do with the radiator. This bracket here is a fabricated piece. It did not fit on the old radiator. Actually, it fits the new one better than it did the old one. So at some point, maybe that'll be upgraded. But it does the job. The rubber is inside there. It's all good. But the radiator itself, as you can see, all the welds and everything are done very well. It's a 4-core with a billet cap, and it fits perfect. Now we drove the car since putting this in. Obviously we had to road test it. We installed the electric fan on it. We did a 1-wire alternator update on it as well, 140 amp alternator, and this thing runs at 190 degrees, consistently in extremely hot weather right now that we're having here in Jersey. So no issues. Going down the highway, it'll stay nice and cool. And in the city, at idle, he doesn't have to worry about any overheating problems at this point. So everything turned out great. I just wanted to show this because these guys really do deserve a little bit of exposure. They're a great company to deal with, and I'm going to leave their information in the link below. And it's really all I could say. But these guys definitely deserve a little bit of exposure. They're really they're really a great company to deal with, guys. So if you want anything like this, they sell the radiators. They have some other stuff on there as well that you may find very useful. They have fan combinations. Check them out. You'll probably like them. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You know what to do down below. See you later.